Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your name on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games. Right here, in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the top, you're gonna find games and media. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then right here, you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch users, and logout. Go ahead and click on profile. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in your profile page. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find your profile overview. Here you're gonna find games, friends, shared, and here in the right, you're gonna find online status, share profile, in this profile, and right here you're gonna find your privacy settings. So go ahead and click on edit profile, and then you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find name, online ID, profile picture, avatar, and so on. Go ahead and click on name, and then once you're here, you're gonna find the place where you can change your name. So right here, as you can see guys, you can change your first, middle name, and also your last name. And then once you finish, just go ahead and click on confirm, and then your new name will be saved. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.